Well, let's shift our attention immediately now to domestic politics. The political crisis engulfing the Trinamool Congress has now entered a decisive new phase. What began as a rebellion inside the West Bengal Legislative Assembly has now spilled over into both houses of parliament, raising serious questions now about the future of Mamata Banerjee's party. At the center of the latest escalation is a letter that's been submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker, Mr. Om Birla, as early as the 18th of May by 19 Trinamool Congress members of parliament. As per sources, these rebel MPs have sought recognition as a separate parliamentary faction. Now, the rebel camp claims that it now represents a majority of the party's Lok Sabha strength, in fact, almost two-thirds, and insists that it is indeed the real Trinamool Congress or the Asli TMC. The list is politically significant. It includes some of the party's most recognizable faces: Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, Shatabdi Roy, Shayani Ghosh, Rachna Banerjee, Yusuf Pathan, Dev Adhikari, and several sitting members of parliament who've delivered electoral victories for the party in recent years. Now, these rebel MPs have been pointing at the divide between the leaders and the top leadership of the party. Most of them are blaming Abhishek Banerjee, the nephew of Mamata Banerjee, and also his arrogance for the entire crisis that the party faces.
ये जो रिबेलियन है जो हम अभी देख रहे हैं टीएमसी में जो हो रहा है, इसकी शुरुआत कैसे हुई थी? क्योंकि कुछ लोगों का कहना है कि ये बीजेपी का करा धरा है। आप बताइए कि किसने आपको सबसे पहले अप्रोच किया? क्योंकि आपने तो टीएमसी के टिकट पे इलेक्शन लड़े, आप टीएमसी के नेता हैं अभी भी, तो कैसे ये रिबेलियन पूरा शुरू हुआ टीएमसी में?
ये जो बात कीर्ति आजाद ने बोला है वो सही नहीं है, क्योंकि बंगाल का जो सिचुएशन है वो कीर्ति आजाद जानते नहीं। वो बिहार का आदमी है, वो बिहार में रहता है, बंगाल में नहीं रहता है। और बंगाल में इस तरफ जो सिचुएशन है, जो टीएमसी का कोई प्रधान, कोई काउंसिलर अगर घर से बाहर निकले तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग उनका घेराव भी करते हैं, उसके अंडा फेंकता है, कभी किसी को जूता फेंकता है, क्योंकि ऐसा जो स्टाइल होता है बंगाल में। और हर रोज मेरे को क्षेत्र में बहुत सारे लोग हमको फोन किया है, जो हम कब घर पहुंचेंगे, हमको क्या होगा, हमको घर जाने के लिए क्या तरीका होगा। ये लिए हम थोड़ा दिक्कत में है, इसलिए हम सीएम से साथ बात किया है और सीएम ने पूरा लोग को घर पहुंचाने के लिए हमको वादा किया। और जो डेवलपमेंट है वो डेवलपमेंट काम के लिए हमारा जो डिमांड है वो पूरा करेंगे।
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि इस रिबेलियन में बीजेपी का कोई हाथ नहीं है, बीजेपी के किसी नेता का इसमें कोई हाथ नहीं है। आप लोग अपनी मर्जी से जो है टीएमसी से निकलकर, ममता बनर्जी के कैंप से निकलकर एक अपना कैंप बना रहे हैं।
ठीक है, हम बिल्कुल।
Now, here are the 19 members of parliament who have now written to the Lok Sabha Speaker. In fact, they wrote this letter way back towards the middle of May, around the 18th of the month, seeking that they be recognized as the true faction or the true TMC in the Lok Sabha. That includes Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, Shatabdi Roy, Bapi Haldar, Dr. Sharmila Sarkar, Prasoon Bandyopadhyay, Jagdish Barma Basunia, Asit Kumar Mal, Arup Chakraborty, Rachna Banerjee, Shayani Ghosh, Khalilur Rahman, Abu Tahir Khan, Yusuf Pathan, Mitali Bagh, Mala Roy, Kalipada Soren, Deepak Adhikari, June Malia, and Partha Bhowmik. Now, these are, of course, against the loyalists of Mamata Banerjee, which include Kirti Azad, Mahua Moitra, Shatrughan Sinha, Saugata Roy, Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, Pratima Mondal, Sajda Ahmed, Nurul Islam, Kalyan Banerjee, and, of course, her own nephew, Abhishek Banerjee. Now, the Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament and Mamata Banerjee loyalist Kirti Azad is alleging that the BJP's Operation Lotus, or their campaign of defection, to use it as another term, is actively underway, pointing to rebel members of Parliament and the meetings that have been taking place between the rebel faction of the TMC and BJP leaders, the resignations of TMC Rajya Sabha members, as well as visits by BJP leaders to the homes of TMC parliamentarians. All of these included, Kirti Azad now claims that there's an organized attempt to engineer a split within the party with the complicity of the BJP. His assertion is that the BJP's plan has failed so far and that the Trinamool Congress remains united behind Mamata Banerjee.
बता दिया गया है। जिस तरीके से जिन एमपीओ ने साइन नहीं किया था उनके घर में बीजेपी के लोग बैठे हुए थे, पुलिस बाहर से गार्ड कर रही थी उनको। बहुतों को तो घर तोड़ दिए गए, भंगचूर कर दिया गया, फैमिली को डराया धमकाया गया। बहुत सारे तो डर के आए हैं। लिस्ट देख लो, पहले 8 तो मान गए जो थे, उसमें 3 है। भापी हालदार है जिसका तो घर पर पूरा तोड़ दिया, तो कहाँ पर रहा था। फर्स्ट टाइम का एमपी है, यंग आदमी है।
एकदम बात बोल रहा हूं, जो तृणमूल कांग्रेस का जो सांसद लोग है वो लोग अलग ब्लॉक करके वो लोग हम लोग को सपोर्ट करने के लिए तैयार है, तो हम लोग बाधा क्यों देंगे। और हमारा भारतीय जनता पार्टी केंद्रीय नेतृत्व का ऑर्डर से चल दिया। हमारा प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी, अमित शाह जी, हमारा नितिन नवीन जी जो बोलेंगे हम लोग वही करेंगे। तृणमूल कांग्रेस का सांसद, तृणमूल कांग्रेस का विधायक जो बात बोला है और वो लोग हम लोग को सपोर्ट करने के लिए तैयार है, तो हम लोग बाधा क्यों देंगे।
पार्टी का हालत खराब है, ये मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन ये सब बोल रहे हैं, ये लोग अभिषेक का जय कहते थे पहले 4 मई का। तो मैं समझता हूँ इनका दल बदलना मौका परस्त है।
Well, some breaking news now coming in from West Bengal, where the Chief Minister, Mr. Suvendu Adhikari, along with other BJP leaders, is now likely to meet the rebel TMC MPs in Delhi, in the national capital, on Sunday, ahead of those very MPs meeting the Lok Sabha Speaker. Now, this is something that's been said by one of the rebel MPs. Now, let me go across from this particular matter. Clearly, it has, because they also met with Bhupender Yadav, the Union Minister for Environment, not.
Yes, absolutely. What we are running, what we are learning from our sources, that one more meeting, which is going to be the 4th crucial and confidential meeting between Bengal Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari and all those rebel TMC MPs, is going to take place in New Delhi on next Sundays. As per the sources, there is a meeting that may take place at the residence of Bhupender Yadav or at a Banga Bhavan. That has not been confirmed yet. That location has not been confirmed yet. But there are possibilities that this meeting can take place at the residence of Bhupender Yadav residence, as the first meeting took place at the same place few days back. And as for the sources, Shubhendu Adhikari, Bengal Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari, is scheduled to leave for Delhi from Kolkata on Sunday morning, and several BJP leaders will also be there at the residence of Bhupender Yadav for this meeting. All those rebel TMC MLAs have been invited to join the meeting, but as per the sources, 3 to 4 TMC MPs may remain absent at the meeting, but rest of the rebel MPs, total 15 to 16 MPs can join the meeting officially. But yes, sources are claiming that there is a meeting which is going to take place in the national capital Delhi on next Sunday between Shubhendu Adhikari and several other BJP leaders and TMC rebel MPs. And
right.
Of course, the agenda of this meeting is not clear yet, but
okay,
we have to keep an eye on at the meeting, because few other TMC leaders are also claiming that the number of the rebel TMC MPs may increase. So what will be the outcome of that meeting? We have
sure
to keep an eye in the national capital on next Sunday.
All right, let's wait and see what happens. The situation still very fluid, is what some would say. Thanks for that, Rajesh, because while the Trinamool Congress is blaming the Bharatiya Janata Party for what's been happening, within the party itself, there seems to be some serious denial on the issue pertaining to Abhishek Banerjee and how several TMC rebel MPs election debacle, as well as the problems that the party faces. Multiple leaders of the TMC have named Mr. Abhishek Banerjee and have accused him of being arrogant with fellow TMC leaders. Here's the indictment coming from those who've decided to break away from Mamata Banerjee as well as Abhishek.
ममता बनर्जी को, अभिषेक बनर्जी को इतना पावर नहीं देना था, अपना पावर हाथ में रख के अभिषेक को साथ में लेके चलना था।
ये जो बॉस कल्चर, हम जो बोलेंगे वही करना पड़ेगा, ये जो इतना साल का दुर्व्यवहार, इतना साल की बेइज्जती, एक व्यक्ति ने पूरा पार्टी को खत्म कर दिया, पार्टी का नाम बदनाम कर दिया, पार्टी का इज्जत मिट्टी में मिला दिया।
अभिषेक बैनर्जी का कोई भूमिका ही नहीं रहेगी उनका साथ। ये हमारा लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी का कोई संबंध ही नहीं है उनके साथ। आवाम का भी कोई संबंध नहीं है, दूर दूर तक बंगाल का आवाम का कोई संबंध नहीं है।
सीनियर एमएलए मिनिस्टर्स बोल रहे 5-5, 6-6 घंटे उसके घर के नीचे बैठना पड़ता था और 5 घंटे बाद आके बोला जाता था आज मिल नहीं सकते हैं। ये अपमान दिल में बैठा दबा के रख दिया था।
Now, but the political allegations are just part of the story. The bigger battle may soon become legal and constitutional in nature. The rebel camp claims that it represents a majority of the party's parliamentary strength. In fact, not just a majority, almost two-thirds. Now, if those numbers in fact hold, the dissidents believe that they have the mandate. We're talking about the anti-defection law here. With the TMC having 28 Lok Sabha members in parliament in total, the figure of 19 crosses that two-thirds mark. The counter-argument is also strong, which is that the 91st Constitution, the argument being advanced by Mamata Banerjee's loyalists and also Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha, Mahua Moitra. Now let's, in fact, listen into some of those political reactions from the BJP as well as the opposition.
Clearly, there is enormous discontent in the Trinamool Congress elected representatives against Ms. Mamata Banerjee and Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. They have formed a separate group in Kolkata for the assembly, and in Delhi some 19 members of parliament out of 28 have asked the honorable speaker to treat them as a separate group. Now this would have to be explained only by Ms. Mamata Banerjee and Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. Why the discontent against them?
TMC is not a political party with ideology, and it seems that the Avatar has completed its mission of birth. Now, a political party without any proper ideology will have to face this kind of situation. Soon after the election debacle, one by one all leaders are leaving the party. There is no wonder in these types of developments. This is the natural destiny of a political.
बदल कानून, फिर टिकट लेते हैं और चुनाव जीतने के बाद सत्ता सरकार बदलती है तो आप दूसरे खाने में जाके बैठ जाते हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी निरंतर, एक पहली ये पार्टी नहीं है टीएमसी, शिवसेना के साथ भी ऐसा हो चुका है, एनसीपी के साथ भी ऐसा हो चुका है, और मुद्दों और विषयों को भूल जाना, ये जो परंपरा की शुरुआत हुई है, ये राजनीति का काला अध्याय है और ये देश के लिए, देश के संविधान के लिए और लोकतंत्र के लिए कहीं से भी उचित नहीं है।
Now, amid this deepening turmoil within the ranks of the Trinamool Congress, a symbolic chapter appears to have come to an end in the national capital. The party's posters have been removed from 20 Dr. Rajendra Prasad Road, which was the Delhi residence of the Barakpur Member of Parliament Partha Bhaumik, who is now among the rebel MPs challenging the party leadership. For years, the bungalow had functioned as the TMC's de facto Delhi headquarters, hosting strategy meetings, media interactions, and key political engagements as well. Now, with Bhaumik moving out and the party's signage disappearing, the visuals now offer a striking reminder of how the crisis is no longer confined to numbers inside the legislature. It's also playing out in the party's organizational and symbolic spaces as well, and the rank and file.
Trinamool Congress loses its base in the national capital as Member of Parliament vacates its bungalow. Now, right now I'm reporting from Dr. Rajendra Prasad Road, which is the residence of Partha Bhaumik. Now, Partha Bhaumik moved from Dr. Rajendra Prasad Road bungalow, ending his role as Trinamool Congress's Delhi base. And the crisis backdrop is that the relocation coincides with a major internal revolt, with MPs pushing to form a separate bloc, and strategic implications like losing the capital base could affect the Trinamool Congress coordination and visibility in the national capital. And on your screen you can see the gate of the 20 Dr. Rajendra Prasad Road bungalow is locked. The posters and pictures of Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee has been removed from the area, and Partha Bhaumik has now been allotted flat number 502 Hooghly, which is type 7 accommodation by the Lok Sabha Secretariat. But now, since he has changed his bungalow, he has now moved to flat number 501 of Hooghly, which is a type 7 accommodation. So Trinamool Congress office bearers right now does not have a place or base in the national capital.